Some facts about fasting and stem cell production and how our bodies benefit from it. This is an extension of the previous video on what you may not have been told about health benefits of fasting. Our focus today is the potential impact of fasting on stem cell production in the body. Fasting, as we know it, is the practice of abstaining from food and, in some cases, drink for a certain period of time. It has been practiced for centuries and is associated with various health benefits. According to DVC's STEM publication on how does fasting affect stem cells, authored by Dr. Louis A. Conan, published online September 3, 2023, prolonged fasting can trigger stem cell regeneration. The publication says prolonged fasting between 48 to 120 hours can activate pathways that enhance cellular resistance to toxins and stress in mice and humans. According to a 2014 study, as reported by DVC STEM, the study was conducted by Chang et al. And it states that multiple cycles of fasting decreased the immunosuppression and mortality caused by chemotherapy and reversed age-dependent myeloid bias cell regeneration deficiency in mice in agreement with preliminary data on the protection of white blood cells from chemotoxicity in fasting patients. Although it has been long known that a lower calorie diet contributes to longevity in humans, it is now understood that fasting can switch the metabolism from using glucose as fuel to using fatty acids. This shift seems to trigger our stem cells to become more active and regenerative. Source: DVC STEM. According to a Forbes publication on Can Intermittent Fasting Reset Your Immune System? 6 years ago, a study showed that a 3-day fast can essentially reset the immune system, providing many potential benefits. These benefits include better cardiovascular health, better endurance, lower blood pressure, and reduced inflammation. According to PNAS.org, fasting increased DNA repair capacity of small intestinal stem cells and decreased their apoptosis. Apoptosis simply means cell death. Fasting is the fastest way to bring autoimmunity under control. After 72 hours of water-only fasting, autophagy and apoptosis changed in a favorable direction. In addition, components of the innate immune system were boosted compared to baseline measurement. Timed eating is another way to benefit the immune system. Source: healandcare.com. Welcome to Real World Sci-Communications. Kindly like this video, make some comments, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. And to our returning subscribers, thank you for being partners in progress. A quick recap on what fasting is. Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food and, in some cases, drink for a specific period of time. It has been practiced for centuries for various reasons, including religious, spiritual, and health purposes. In recent years, fasting has gained attention for its potential benefits on stem cell production and overall health. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that have the ability to develop into different types of cells in the body. They play a crucial role in tissue repair, regeneration, and maintaining overall health. Stem cells can be found in various tissues and organs throughout the body, including bone marrow, adipose tissue or fat, and blood. According to Medline Plus, stem cells are cells with the potential to develop into many different types of cells in the body. They serve as a repair system for the body. There are two main types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Several studies have suggested that fasting can stimulate the production of stem cells in the body. One study published in the journal Cell Stem Cell in 2014 found that cycles of prolonged fasting, 2 to 4 days at a time, could induce hematopoietic stem cell-based regeneration of immune cells. The researchers observed that fasting led to a reduction in circulating insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1 levels, which in turn triggered a signaling pathway that activated hematopoietic stem cells to regenerate immune cells. This study provided evidence that fasting could enhance the regenerative capacity of stem cells. Another study published in the journal Cell Stem Cell in 2018 explored the effects of fasting on intestinal stem cells. The researchers discovered that fasting for 24 hours or more led to a reduction in intestinal stem cell proliferation, but increased their regenerative capacity upon refeeding. The findings suggested that fasting could promote stem cell self-renewal and enhance their ability to repair damaged tissues. In other words, when you fast, your stem cells renew themselves and your damaged tissues get repaired. Fasting has also been shown to increase the production of mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, These are multipotent stem cells found in various tissues, including bone marrow and adipose tissue. A study published in the journal Stem Cell Translational Medicine in 2018 investigated the effects of intermittent fasting on MSCs. The researchers found that intermittent fasting for 24 hours increased the number and regenerative potential of mesenchymal stem cells in mice. This suggests that fasting could enhance the body's ability to repair and regenerate tissues through the increased production of mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs. The benefits of fasting on stem cell production are not limited to specific types of stem cells. A study published in the journal Cell Stem Cell in 2019 demonstrated that fasting could also enhance neural stem cell regeneration in mice. The researchers found that cycles of prolonged fasting activated a signaling pathway called PKA, or protein kinase A pathway, which stimulated the dormant stem cells to divide and generate new neurons. This study provided further evidence that fasting could have broad effects on stem cell-based regeneration. In addition to promoting stem cell production, fasting has been associated with several other health benefits. Intermittent fasting, which involves alternating periods of eating and fasting, has gained popularity for its potential effects on weight loss, insulin sensitivity, and longevity. It has been shown to improve metabolic health by reducing insulin resistance, lowering blood sugar levels, and promoting fat burning. A quick recall from the previous video on what you may not have been told about the health benefits of fasting. Fasting has also been linked to autophagy, a cellular process that involves the recycling and removal of damaged or dysfunctional components within cells. Autophagy plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health and preventing various diseases, including neurodegenerative disorders and cancer. Fasting has been shown to upregulate autophagy, thereby promoting cellular detoxification and rejuvenation. This implies that fasting cleanses and resets your body cells. Furthermore, fasting has been associated with anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in many diseases, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. Studies have shown that fasting can reduce markers of inflammation in the body, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and pro-inflammatory cytokines. You see, inflammation is the body's natural response to protect and heal itself from injury, infection, or irritation. It's a complex process involving the immune system. When there is inflammation, you may experience symptoms such as redness, swelling, heat, and pain in the affected area. In simple terms, inflammation can be thought of as the body's way of fighting back against harmful stimuli and initiating the healing process. However, chronic or prolonged inflammation can be detrimental to health and may contribute to various diseases, as mentioned earlier. This implies that fasting can reduce inflammatory effects in the body. A quick look at the benefit of stem cell production in the body as a result of fasting. Number 1, improved regeneration and repair. Fasting has been shown to increase the production of stem cells in the body, which can help with tissue regeneration and repair. These may be particularly beneficial for people with chronic conditions or injuries. Number 2, anti-aging effect. Fasting has been linked to increased longevity and improved health span, possibly due to its effect on stem cells. Stem cells production during fasting may help to slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Number 3, reduce inflammation and initiation of healing process in the body. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to various health problems. Stem cells produced during fasting may help to further reduce inflammation and promote healing. Number 4, enhanced immune function. Fasting has been linked to improve immune function and increase resistance to infections. Stem cells produced during fasting may help to support the immune system and protect against disease. Number 5, disease prevention. Stem cells have the potential to differentiate into various types of cells, including those that make up the immune system, blood vessels, and organs. By stimulating stem cell production, fasting may help to prevent or treat a variety of diseases and conditions. Some research suggests that fasting may help to prevent cancer or improve the effectiveness of cancer treatments. Number 6, improved brain function. Some studies suggest that fasting may have positive effects on cognitive function and brain health. Increased stem cell production could contribute to this effect by promoting brain cell regeneration and repair. Number 7, cancer treatment. Some studies suggest that fasting may enhance the effectiveness of certain cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Fasting prior to treatment can sensitize cancer cells to these therapies while protecting normal cells. Additionally, fasting may help protect healthy cells from toxic effects of cancer treatments. Number 8, metabolic health. Fasting has been associated with improvement in metabolic health markers such as blood glucose levels, insulin sensitivity, and lipid profiles. These metabolic changes can positively impact stem cell production and function. For example, improved insulin sensitivity can enhance the activation of stem cells in adipose tissue, leading to increased fat burning and weight loss. It is important to note that while there is growing evidence supporting benefits of fasting on stem cell production and overall health, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and long-term effects. Now listen to this. Fasting should be approached with caution, especially for individuals with certain medical conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended before starting any fasting regimen. Kindly drop a comment below in the comment section. Let's know what you think. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.